hours, depending on where you are watching me from. I'm so sorry. I still remain your classic ZIZARA. I'm so sorry for a week. For last week, I was not able to come live. I really had a very tight schedule, and that was why I was not able to meet up. But I thank God today we are going to continue from where we stopped, and we are still on Nkeja Soso, and we were trying to pick them one after the other. Had it been I was able to make it last week, I think by now we would have finished it up, but nevertheless, we'll also finish it maybe next week, and then we'll introduce a new topic. Okay, so today we are going to treat adjective in English, in Igbo language, adjective in Igbo language, which is known as Nkowaaha. Adjective Nkowaaha. Adjective Nkowaaha. For those of you that are still joining us today, please, I would advise you to go back to where we started from. Nkeja Soso, we were able to treat all the Nkeja Soso n'asụsụ Igbo. That is all the parts of speech in Igbo language. We were able to treat them, and then we decided to be picking them one after the other, so that we'll be able to, expatiate what they mean and how they can be used to speak Igbo. So I will advise you to go back to that video where we started with Nkeja Soso, so that you'll be able to appreciate it more better. So we've been able to treat noun, pronoun, preposition, verb, adverb. And today we are going to treat adjective. Adjective in Igbo language, which is known as Nkowaaha. Nkowaaha. So, gịnị bụ Nkowaaha? Nkowaaha bụ okwu ndị ahụ na-akọwa ihe aha na-arụ. Ha na-akọwa aha n'asụsụ ọbụla. Adjective try to explain the nouns. They try to explain what the nouns are. For instance, we have examples. We have angry, and if you want you to make a sentence, you say, that woman is angry. You see, angry is trying to explain somebody, which is the woman. That woman is angry, or the woman is angry. That angry there is trying to explain the woman. It's trying to tell us the situation of that woman at that particular time. That is why it is called Nkowaaha, or Nkowaaha. And gịnị bụ aha? We've treated now before, but I'll try to explain to you for those of us that are just joining today. And we say that a noun is the name of a thing, animal, or place. Aha bụ aha obodo, aha ebe, aha mmadụ, maọbụ aha ihe. Maọbụ aha ihe. So, the woman is a name of a person, and that angry there is trying to explain the situation the woman is in at that point in time, which is angry. Another example is the bad boy. The bad boy. Boy is a name of a person, and then bad is the adjective which is trying to explain the boy, how the boy is, or what the boy looks like. Bad. So now we are going to give you examples of adjective and what they are called in Igbo, so that when you are making a sentence with them in Igbo language, you will be able to know how to use them in Igbo language. Okay, so number one, we'll say fa, 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 meaning anya, fa, anya. For instance, that place is far. Ebe ahụ dị anya. Fa, anya, fa, anya, fa, anya. Oh. Sorry. Angry. 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 Iwe. Iwe. Angry. 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 Iwe. Oh, I'm writing and it's giving me another thing. Angry. Iwe. I want to use small letters so that we will appreciate it well. Bad. 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 Ojo. Or ojo. Ojo. Bad. Ojo. Big. 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 Nnukwu. 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 Big. Nnukwu. Beautiful. 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 Ọma. Beautiful. Ọma. Black. Black. Oji. Black. Oji. Clean. Clean. Ọcha. Clean. Ọcha. I'm so sorry. I am writing. This is a German iPad. I'm writing and it's giving me another thing. Clean. Ọcha. Clean. Ọcha. Close. Nso. Close. Nso. Close. Nso. Close. Nso. Close. Nso. Difficult. 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 Siri ike. Siri ike. Siri ike. Difficult. Siri ike. Dirty. 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 Oji. Dirty. Oji. Dirty. Oji. Dirty. Oji. easy, easy, mfe, easy, mfe, easy, mfe, easy, mfe, good, 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 ọma, good, ọma, high, high, elu, high, elu, high, elu, high, elu. So we are going to end today. And we are going to end here today. So, but meanwhile, let's go back to from the beginning. Let's go back to the beginning. I said that today we are treating adjective. An adjective in Igbo language is known as Nkowaaha. We have examples of it. We have far, anya. That place is far. Ebe ahụ dị anya. Ebe ahụ dị anya. Angry. I am angry. In Igbo language, iwe. In Igbo language, iwe. Iwe na-ewe m. I am angry. Iwe na-ewe m. Bad. Bad. Ọjọọ. Bad. Ọjọọ. The weather is bad. The weather is bad. The weather is bad. Ụbọchị jọrọ njọ. Ụbọchị jọrọ njọ. Big, nnukwu. Big, nnukwu. Big, nnukwu. That lion is big. That lion is big. That lion is big. Ọdụm ahụ dị nnukwu. Ma ọ bụ ọdụm ahụ buru ibu. Beautiful. Ọma. That girl is beautiful. That girl is beautiful. Nwata nwaanyị ahụ mara mma. Black. Oji. The book is black. The book is black. Akwụkwọ ahụ dị oji. Clean. Ọcha. Clean. Ọcha. Clean. Ọcha. Mmiri ahụ dị ọcha. That water is clean. Close. Nso. Close. Nso. My school is close. Ụlọ akwụkwọ m dị nso. Difficult. Siri ike. Difficult. Siri ike. The exam is difficult. The exam is difficult. Ule ahụ siri ike. Dirty. Oji. Dirty. Oji. Her clothes is dirty. Her clothes is dirty. Uwe ya dị oji. Or some language can say unyi. Unyi. Dirty. Unyi. Uwe ya ruru unyi. Easy. Mfe. Easy. Mfe. Easy. Mfe. That exam is easy. ule ahụ dị mfe. Good, ọma. Good, ọma. My mother is good. Mama m dị mma nke ukwuu. You know, ọma and mma goes together. Most times, when you want to say ọma, if you want to use ọma to make a sentence, you will always say mma. Two of them are the same thing. You can say good, ọma, or mma. High, elu. High, elu. That house is high. That house is high. Ụlọ ahụ dị elu. Ụlọ ahụ dị elu. So thank you so much for your active participation. I still remain your classic ZIZARA. I am back to take you on Igbo Amaka every Saturdays and Sundays. So I must apologize for not being able to come on live for the past 3 consecutive days. I think last week, Saturday and Sunday, and then yesterday. I was not able to make it because of my tight schedules, but I thank God that I'm fully back on Igbo Amaka. So just expect me every Saturdays and Sundays on Access Igbo Amaka. So by next week, we'll also pick this weekend. We will also pick another form of Nkeja Soso, and then until when we are done with it, we'll now move into a new topic. So thank you for your active participation. I still remain your classic ZIZARA. So I wish you